Okay, in today's lesson we're looking at finding the area of a sector. So a sector is just part of a circle, and we can see we've got an example up here. So we've got an example here, and we know that to find the area of a circle, it's the formula pi r squared. So we don't want to find the whole area though, we want to find part of it. So to find part of it, we take the value theta, so that's the angle of the sector, and divide it by 360. So if it was a whole circle, it would be 360 divided by 360, which would be 1. So 1 times by pi r squared is just this equation here. Now in this particular example, our angle here is going to be 180 degrees. It's half of a circle. If we have the fraction 180 over 360, we know we could simplify that to be a half. Okay, so we don't need to worry too much. We'll just leave that one there, but we're just going to use the formula as is for now. So first thing we're going to do is write our formula. So area equals theta over 360 times by pi r squared. So theta in this example is equal to 180, because this angle here, across here, is 180 degrees. And our radius, now we've got to remember here that the measurement from one side to the other is the diameter, so we have to half that. So our radius is actually going to be 3 centimeters. Pretty easy now, we can just substitute our values in. So we substitute the value of theta, 180 over 360, times by pi, times by r, which is 3 squared. Now if we pop that into the calculator, you can see I've popped it in here already. Hit the equals. We end up with a value of 14.14, rounding to 2 decimal places. And as always, it's really important that we remember our unit of measurement, which is centimeters. So there's the first example. Let's just jump down and have a look at another one. So again, we're finding the area of a sector. So the first thing we're going to do is put our formula in, which is area theta over 360 times by pi r squared. Theta, in this particular example, we've got a right angle, so a right angle is equal to 90 degrees, and our radius is 4. So this time we don't have the diameter, we've just got the radius. Nice and easy for us. And then all we need to do is substitute those into our formula. So the value theta of 90 times by pi r, which in this case is 4, and we end up with a value of, I'll just quickly do it on my calculator here, we end up with a value of 12.57 centimeters. Now hopefully you picked up on my mistake straight away here. Because we're talking about area, remember it's going to be centimeters squared.